Hey, welcome back. Time management is a crucial skill for career success, but it is not just about getting things done faster, it is about working smarter. The difference between successful professionals and those who feel overwhelmed lies in how they prioritize tasks and manage their time. One strategy is to identify your most important tasks and the ones that will have biggest impact on your career and focusing on completing them first. It is also known as 80-20 rule. This principle states that 80% of your results often come from 20% of your efforts. Make sure you are dedicating your time to the tasks that will propel you forward. Additionally, learning on how to say no to the less important tasks or delegating when possible can definitely help you to free up more time for what truly matters. Remember, being busy is not the same as being productive. So, today's action step, take a look at your daily routine and identify one task or habit that isn't contributing to your long term career goals. Replace it with something that will move the needle in the right direction. Now, let us recap. Mastering time management is essential for reaching your career goals. Focus on high impact tasks and don't let busy work take up your valuable time. So, see you in the next video and please don't forget to subscribe for more insights on career coaching. Happy learning. This is Mandar Kulkarni signing out for now until we see once again.